Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Have you ever heard of the gut-brain connection? This fascinating link between your digestive system and brain is more significant than you think. Research shows that the gut and brain communicate constantly, influencing everything from your mood to your immune system. Understanding this connection is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing diseases. A healthy gut can improve mental clarity, reduce anxiety, and even a stronger immune response. You can unlock many benefits beyond digestion by nurturing your gut health through a balanced diet, probiotics, and mindful eating. Imagine feeling more energetic, focused, and resilient against illnesses stemming from a well-functioning gut. So, let's dive deeper into this surprising relationship and explore how caring for your gut can pave the way for a healthier, happier life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is the complex communication network linking your gastrointestinal system and brain. This connection involves various components, including the vagus nerve, neurotransmitters, and gut microbiota. Essentially, what happens in your gut can significantly influence your brain function and mood, and vice versa. For instance, a healthy gut microbiome can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which are vital in regulating mood and emotions. Recent research has revealed that imbalances in gut bacteria can lead to conditions such as anxiety and depression, highlighting the importance of gut health for mental well-being. Studies also suggest that stress can negatively impact gut health, creating a vicious cycle. By understanding the gut-brain axis, we can better appreciate how nurturing our gut can lead to improved mental health and overall wellness, making it a crucial focus for anyone looking to enhance their quality of life. The role of gut microbiota. Gut microbiota refers to the diverse community of microorganisms in your digestive tract, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This complex ecosystem is crucial in maintaining mental and physical health. Research shows that gut bacteria can influence mood and cognitive functions by producing neurotransmitters and other metabolites that affect brain activity. For example, certain strains of bacteria are linked to increased serotonin levels, often called the feel-good hormone. Additionally, the composition of your gut microbiota is heavily influenced by your diet. A diet rich in fiber, fruits, and fermented foods can promote a diverse and healthy microbiome, while processed foods and sugars can lead to imbalances. By understanding the importance of gut microbiota, we can make informed dietary choices that support our mental clarity and overall well-being, highlighting the profound connection between what we eat and how we feel. Gut health and mental well-being. The connection between gut health and mental well-being is becoming increasingly clear, particularly about conditions like anxiety and depression. Research indicates that an imbalance in gut microbiota can contribute to the development of these mental health issues. For instance, studies have shown that individuals with depression often have lower levels of beneficial gut bacteria. In one study, participants who consumed probiotics reported significant reductions in anxiety and depressive symptoms, highlighting the potential for gut health interventions. Another study found that dietary changes promote a healthier gut microbiome and improve mood and cognitive function. This evidence suggests that nurturing your gut is vital to maintaining mental wellness. By considering your gut health through diet, probiotics, and lifestyle choices, you can take proactive steps toward enhancing your mental well-being and overall quality of life. Preventing disease through gut health. Maintaining gut health is crucial for preventing various diseases, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular issues. Research shows that an unhealthy gut microbiome can lead to inflammation and metabolic disorders, increasing the risk of these conditions. On the other hand, a healthy gut plays a vital role in boosting the immune system by producing beneficial compounds that help fend off infections and diseases. To improve your gut health and reduce disease risk, consider incorporating fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can also enhance gut microbiota diversity. Staying hydrated and managing stress through mindfulness practices can further support gut health. By taking these actionable steps, you can create a healthier gut environment that enhances your well-being and helps prevent various diseases. Practical tips for a healthy gut. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and you can take several practical steps. First, focus on dietary changes that promote gut health. Incorporate probiotics in yogurt, kefir, fermented foods, and fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to nourish your gut microbiota. Regular physical activity is also beneficial. Exercise can enhance gut motility and promote a diverse microbiome. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Staying hydrated is crucial for digestion and nutrient absorption, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of stress management. Practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can positively impact gut health by reducing stress-related inflammation. Following these tips can create a supportive environment for your gut and enhance your overall health. In summary, the gut-brain connection is vital to our overall health, influencing everything from mental well-being to disease prevention. By understanding this link, we can take actionable steps to improve our gut health, such as incorporating probiotics and fiber-rich foods into our diets, staying active, and managing stress effectively. These simple changes can lead to significant benefits, not only for our gut, but also for our mental and physical health. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the importance of gut health. Together, we can foster a community focused on better health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.